Hi, I'm Jeff, and we're here today with the CSI Signature 2 control valve. I'm going to show you the basic features and programming that you need to know to set it up. When you first plug in your water softener, you'll notice that it's displaying the time of day and then flashing to the number of gallons remaining until the next regeneration, if you have a metered valve like this one. All you need to do upon initial startup is to press the menu enter button and change the time of day by using the set change button to change the digit and the menu enter button to move to the next digit. Once you've got the time of day set to the current time, the time will flash, and pressing menu enter again will allow you to choose AM or PM. Pressing menu enter again will show H-25, which is the default hardness setting of 25 grains per gallon. You'll want to change this setting based on your water test. Pressing menu enter will take you back to the home screen, and you'll notice the number of gallons remaining has not changed even though we've changed the hardness setting on the softener. To apply the changes we've made, the softener needs to go through regeneration, which you can do manually by holding down the set change button for 3 seconds. When the display zeroes out, that means that the softener will regenerate tonight at 2 a.m. But to regenerate it immediately, just hold down the set change button one more time. The first step of the regeneration cycle is a 10-minute backwash, indicated by the 1-10. You can move it to the next step by holding down the set change button again. Step 2 is a 60-minute brine and rinse. Step 3 is a 10-minute rapid rinse. And step 4 is a 6-minute brine refill. Holding down set change one more time will return you to the home screen. Now you'll notice that the number of gallons remaining has been recalculated based on the changes that we made to the hardness setting. Now that's all the programming that's necessary to get your softener up and running, but if you wish to make further changes to the master program, you can enter the master programming mode by holding down both buttons for 5 seconds. You'll see T-D, meaning that this softener is set up to be demand-based or metered. If you wish to change this to a time clock softener, you could do this by pressing the set change button and changing the D to a C. Pressing menu enter will take you to the next step, which is the calendar day override feature. Now the default override on this softener is 7 days, meaning that it will automatically regenerate every 7 days regardless of water usage. This is important if you have iron in your water because you'll want to keep your softener regenerating regularly, but if you have no iron in your water, you may wish to change the calendar day override to 0. Next you'll see R2A, meaning that 2 a.m. is the default regeneration time for this softener, but of course this setting can also be changed to any time, day or night. Next you'll see the cycle steps. Step 4 is one of the most important steps to pay attention to because it controls the amount of salt used during regeneration. Changing the number of minutes in step 4 will change the amount of pounds of salt used per regeneration. Next you'll see the capacity, which is preset at the factory based on your tank size. And pressing menu enter one more time will cycle you back to the home screen. If you have any further questions, be sure to check out our website at csih2o.com.